Good evening. This is the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Finance Minister Audley Shaw has sent the clearest hint to date that the government is considering taxes to influence a reduction in the sugar content in juices. Mr. Shaw, who was speaking at the University of Technology on Thursday at a forum on obesity and non-communicable diseases, said the government is concerned about the sugar content of products being marketed to children. He called on the producers of sugary drinks to lead in reducing the sugar content of the products, telling them not to wait for the Tax Act to force them to do so. Mr. Shaw noted that the World Health Organization, WHO, has recommended that countries implement guidelines as it relates to the production of food and beverages in order to reduce the amount of sugar and imposing taxes to encourage manufacturers to take the appropriate action. He argued that with Jamaica spending $170 million annually on chronic diseases, the country must act so that more funds can be available for infrastructure improvement to health facilities and the upgrading of healthcare services. The US dollar today sold for an average $124.76. The Canadian dollar is selling for $99.59. The pound sterling is going for $168.58, and the euro for $148.14. Jamaica is to sign a deal with Mexico to boost cooperation between the two countries in the area of tourism. The deal, which is to be signed next week Tuesday, will see both countries being jointly marketed to tourists. Jamaica has been signing a series of joint marketing deals in recent years. Previous deals saw Jamaica being marketed with Cuba and the Dominican Republic as part of a plan to gain access to significantly larger markets. AMG Packaging and Paper reported that its profit fell 46% in the 3 months to the end of November. The company reported profits amounted to $10.4 million in the period, down from almost $19 million in the same period of the prior year. AMG Packaging and Paper said the cost associated with the closing down of its toilet paper factory was one of the main pull on its profitability. Portland JSX reports a turnaround in its profitability during the 9 months to the end of November. The company reported profits of $282 million. That is up from a $246 million loss recorded in the corresponding period of the previous year. Investors cashing in on recent gains caused prices on the stock exchange to end mostly lower, pulling the JSE index down more than 2,287 points, while the junior market index lost 40. Berger Paints, Express Catering, Knutsford Express, Mayberry Investments, Radio Jamaica, and VM Investments are among the winners. On the losing end were AMG Packaging and Paper, Cable and Wireless, Fosrich, Jamaica Broilers, Jamaican Teas, Kingston Wharves, NCB Financial Group, Sagicor Group, and Wisynco Group. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.